Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your architect and interior designer Nasima, and in today's video we will be discussing one of the most overlooked yet crucial aspects of bathroom design. That is standard height for fixtures and fitting. If you want your washroom that's just not beautiful but also comfortable and functional, this video is for you. So let's dive in. Let's start with the WC or the toilet height. These are two categories: floor mounted WC and wall mounted WC. If you're using wall mounted WC, the height ranges from 15 inches to 18 inches. Generally we make it 17 inches, but it depends, so you can keep it between 15 inches to 18 inches. For wall hung WC, maintain the height of the flush plate. It ranges from 42 inches to 48 inches from the finished floor level for easy access. If you're using floor mounted WC, then the height ranges from 15 inches to 17 inches, and the height that I'm telling you is from the finished floor level. The health faucet height ranges from 18 inches to 22 inches from the finished floor level, and the tissue roll heights ranges from 17 to 18 inches from the finished floor level. Let's discuss the wash basin now. There are two types of wash basin: under counter wash basin and the countertop wash basin. This is the under counter one. Now let's discuss its height. For the under counter wash basin, the countertop height ranges from 32 inches to 34 inches, and it can also lead to 36 inches depending on the height of the person who is going to use it. If you are using angle valve, then it should be at the height of 18 inches. Let's discuss the countertop wash basin now. Since the basin sits above the counter, keep the countertop height 30 to 32 inches from the finished floor level, and then you have your bowl, which is of 4 inches or as per design above the counter, which can reach up to 34 to 36 inches. Now let's discuss the faucets. See, if you are using countertop faucet, then you have to provide angle valve, which is going to be at the height of 18 inches or as per the basin design that you want to keep. If you are using wall mounted diverter, then the height ranges from 40 to 42 inches from finished floor. So you have to keep in mind that the height from here is 6 to 8 inches from the countertop, and after 2 to 3 inches you start your mirror above it. The mirror height in case of under counter wash basin, you can take 4 to 6 inches depending on your design above the counter. Let's discuss the shower area. The shower head height ranges from 6 feet 6 inches to 7 feet depending on the height of a person. Your diverter height ranges from 36 to 48 inches for easy reach. Also, your hand shower height ranges from 42 to 48 inches from finished floor level. Let's discuss the geyser inlet and outlet now. The height ranges from 72 inches to 78 inches, but you have to make sure that you're having ample amount of space where you can install your geyser. Now let's discuss the towel rod hooks and towel ring height. The towel rod height starts from 48 to 52 inches from the finished floor level. See, it depends on the design. If you're making door hook, then the height should be 6 feet for easy access. We have explored the essential heights for various bathroom fixtures to ensure both comfort and functionality. If you find this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more interior design insights. Also, if you have any question or need further clarification, comment below and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see my next video soon. Bye.